Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment, your number one channel for entertainment news, gist happening around. For first time viewers, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, Rosie reveals I was in an abusive relationship for 12 years. So before we talk about this, bring you the full gist about what Rosie said, let's take a look at the conflict and resolution in the Lovepad. Disagreements happen in all relationships, but what matters is how they are dealt with. The way you deal with an issue with your partner can determine if your relationship is healthy or unhealthy. The relationship that has formed in the love part can be under immense pressure because the dynamics are that of a competition. Below, we look at some of the ways the love guests have resolved conflict. Bola. Arnold believes in getting to the root of the problem. Sometimes when you argue with your partner, it's because someone's needs are not met. If it seems like your partner is sweating the small stuff, take a moment to evaluate whether there is a larger issue at hand. For instance, if your partner is upset that your energy is going elsewhere, you might want to designate more time for your relationship. Consider things from your partner's point of view and put yourself in their shoe. Ultimate love couple, Obibi. Watch out for arguments that stem from a need for control. Ebiten expressed to Obichukwu that it sometimes makes her feel like the most horrible person, and the remarks he makes about her body makes her insecure. Obichukwu tried to rationalize it by downplaying what she was saying and saying everything he does is for their good. It would be beneficial for Obichukwu to listen and take Ebiten's feeling into consideration, especially if he's looking to share a future with her. Michere. This is another couple that has been fighting with issues of control. Cherry expressed that she sometimes feels disregarded by Michael. This happened after she was left out of the planning of the Enugu State traditional wedding while she was in the shower. This is an opportunity for the couples to do better. Ultimate love couple, Prince David. Agree to disagree. Choose your battles. Ever since the huge disagreement that involved Rosie, Prince David now considered whether what they are fighting about is really worth arguing over. They have found a rhythm that works for both of them and are now concentrating on their relationship. The manner in which they have handled their initial conflict has actually brought Prince David closer together. Ultimate love couple, Ike Risa. Effective communication. Ike and Teresa are constantly talking about their intentions for each other. When you communicate effectively, you understand your partner better and make your relationship stronger. The couple have been flourishing since they joined the love path. Conflict in relationship is inevitable, and it will be interesting to see how Ike Risa will navigate conflict should it arise. Now to the main story of the day. Ultimate love. I was in an abusive relationship for 12 years, Rosie reveals. One of the housemates of the newly introduced TV reality show known as Ultimate Love just disclosed that she was in an abusive relationship for 12 years. Rosie stated during a conversation with fellow housemates that after they had lunch, according to Rosie, I was in an abusive relationship for 12 years, praying and hoping that he might turn around and be a good boyfriend to me. At times, he do beat me up and lock me in the house for 4 days or more, but I couldn't let him go simply because I was seriously in love with him and he happened to be my first boyfriend. I couldn't complain to my friends because I also found out that he was sleeping with most of them. Rosie is among the housemates who is currently searching for ultimate love. She paired with a guy called Kachi, and both are doing great so far. Some days back, Rosie also revealed to Auntie during a one-on-one section that the man she got pregnant for was married. She never knew the man was married until she got pregnant, and then the news came that the man was married. And because of that, her father couldn't get himself to forgive her. Her father kept malice with her for over 1 year. The man didn't want to talk to her, almost at the point of disowning her. So that kept her away from most men, and she decided to come to Ultimate Love to find love. I hope she finds what she's looking for in the house. So guys, this is the end of the broadcast. If you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops. Thank you and God bless.